discussing.
With that said, though, Mr. Page, within all of those PEG programs and all those efforts, the fact of the matter is the spending of the City of New York has grown under this administration, and I don't want to get into the myth of the uncontrollables, because that's a discussion that we could take all day, that could take all day. But I know you don't do politics, but do you know who Henry Hopkins was?
No.
Henry Hopkins was an aide to FDR who once allegedly bragged, "We shall tax and tax, spend and spend, and elect and elect." And unfortunately, that's the sense I get from the administration. I mean, past his prologue, we saw it after the 9/11 situation with the property tax. I don't see this concerted effort to right size. I just don't. And I think if there ever were an opportunity, if there ever were a mayor who wasn't beholden to the special interests and all the stuff I heard to rationalize what happened on this floor just a few weeks ago, this is the time to do it. These are the circumstances to do it, and I just don't hear that from the administration. And I know that's painful. I know that takes sacrifice. I know that means a lot of us in this institution will scream bloody murder. But it was ever going to happen, this is the day, and I'm just frustrated by not